All right, folks, what I have here is a 74HCT40105 FIFO chip. It has 16 slots in which you can save 4 values. It is currently hooked up to an Arduino, controlling the shift out, the shift in, the master reset, and the output enable. And that's what it's hooked up to here. It's also giving me a 3.3 volt supply and a ground. Over here we have on the first thing, this is DIR. This means that there's space available to store. This is DOR. This is that there is stuff to receive stored in the chip. And these are my outputs for the pins Q0 through Q3, which are the output pins, just a visual representation. I'm doing this all through some Arduino code, and basically all I'm really doing is shifting in 1 through 16 to fill up the register, and then purging all the registers and making sure that we can see all of the activity on the chip. I'm going to let it complete its thing here, but basically as soon as it fills up to 16 here, it's going to reset back down, and then it's going to start filling it up. That's what's happening here. And then now it's going to purge, and you can see it's purging all of those values 1 through 16, or 0 through 16. Actually, 0 is last. And that's why you see the 1 here, is because that's stored and then immediately sent, it ripples down to the Q3 and is displayed. If I had output enable set to high, or if I stored my first value as 0, 0, 0, 0, it would have shown blank. But because my first value is 0, 0, 0, 1, whenever it's loading the chip with a small delay, this light turns on for just a second. Anyway, hope this helps. Happy to provide any additional assistance here. One thing to note is when I start up, actually, if I hit the reset button here, watch what happens. It's going to reset, and then it's going to go kind of funky for a little while until the reset actually occurs. That's because the values before master reset happen, it's a mess in the chip. So you have to pulse master reset before you start doing any real logic here.